Hi dear, how are you all doing today? I hope all are doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty God. I'm also really doing okay at this moment. So actually after finish my shower, I have came here in order to practice English as well. I'm basking because now I'm feeling cold. And sometimes actually I have come here and I try to spend my free time because the place looking very beautiful and good environment. And it is really biggest open field. I'm gonna show you around this place. But we can see there are any different kind of harvest. The place totally empty. That's why I like very much this place. And after coming here, really I am feeling so much comfortable time. I'm having wonderful time. Okay. So on the other hand, today I can't see the sky condition not overcast, not gloomy. Today weather really bright sunny day. That's why I'm very happy and so much excited after to be here. Okay. So please and look at behind me. To my younger brother already sitting on a small wall. Actually, they are observe me what I am doing here. Okay. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? ইংলিশে বলতে পারো? Do you speak English? Oh my goodness. Okay, no problem. So okay guys, so today's video going to be very important and helpful for you. I am pretty sure it will be a lot of help you. So please don't skip this video. Please stay with me and try to watch this full video. So today I would like to discuss with you why your English language English spoken really poor, why we are not being able to speak English. So আসলে আমরা কেন ইংরেজিতে কথা বলতে পারি না এবং আমার ইংরেজি দুর্বল কেন, তো আমি যদি প্রশ্ন করি অনেকজনে অনেক কিছু উত্তর দেবে. সো ইফ আই আস্ক এ কোয়েশ্চন টু অল, আই হোপ maximum people replied me in a different kind of answer. Okay, so someone people replied me, actually I have not enough time for practice English, and someone people replied me, I have not English partner to practice English. Even someone people replied me, when I will speak English that time I feel shy and hesitate. আমি সময় পাই না আমার ইংরেজি শেখার মতো বা কনভারসেশন করার মতো লোক নাই, এবং আমি যদি ইংরেজি বলতে যাই তখন আমার শরম লাগে, ভয়ভীতি লাগে. দ্যাটস ওয়াই আই ক্যান প্র্যাকটিস রেগুলারলি. সো দিস ইজ এ কমন কোয়েশন, দিস ইজ রিয়েলি সিগনিফিকেন্ট for all us. Okay, so how we how we can overcome this problem from your mind. So number one question I going to answer to them, and time is really beautiful teacher, time is really important. So if you wanna learn English language, must be you have to invest your valuable time bind for learning English. আপনাকে অবশ্যই সময় ব্যয় করতে হবে. Even in this digital age, so we can see almost people have a smartphone on our hand. So if you have a smartphone, no need your English partner to practice English. That's enough. Only one smartphone, that's enough. No need to partner English practice. আপনাকে একটা স্মার্টফোন থাকলে কোনো পার্টনারের প্রয়োজন হবে না. Just like me, now I am creating video in front of camera. আমি আমার ক্যামেরার সামনে আমি এভাবে ভিডিও করতেছি. ওকে, so and finally the question I want to answer to them, actually yeah, we are not foreigner, we are not native English speaker. So if we go to speak English, first of all we may mistake a lot, we feel hesitate, we feel shyness. It's normal, so don't worry about it, it doesn't matter. Please try to overcome this problem from your mind. আপনি কিভাবে এটা দূর করবেন? Please practice regularly, continue journey your practice. I hope gradually you will be overcome this problem from your mind. Practice করতে করতে আপনি automatically এটা চলে যাবে. It doesn't matter. Okay, so don't depend on your English teacher for learning English. Don't depend on your English coaching center. Please try to English learn from by yourself, because it is really magical way to improve our English. It is really best way. কোনো ইংরেজি কোচিং সেন্টারের উপর ভরসা না করে, কোনো আপনার ইংরেজি শিক্ষকের উপর ভরসা না করে নিজে নিজে আপনি ইংরেজি শেখার চেষ্টা করুন. ইটস রিয়েলি বেস্ট. ওকে, সো বাই দ্য ওয়ে গাইস, অ্যাকচুয়ালি মাই হ্যান্ড paining because actually today's video going to be very long. Now I'm going to finish recording this video. See you next video. Thank you very much watching my full video. Have a great day. Bye.